Wednesday, February 27th. Tim Haefke from Top Notch Trading in here today with MrTopStep's update. Okay, I'm going to just look at a little bit of history. In 2007, when we made these all-time highs in the S&P, you know, the first month or so, that was kind of sketchy. And then at the end of February, first week of March, we did see a pullback, and it looks like history is repeating itself as we didn't make all-time highs. We were looking for them. We topped out last week at 1530 even, and now we're seeing this pullback, mini correction, some would say, as I speak. They're making up their mind, deciding if they're going to continue to seek lower ground and further erosion is coming. I pointed out a move below 1490.5 was crucial, and we look for 1484.10. Well, we did find a low yesterday, 1483, but with that low before the market did open, we did see a mini low of 1481.75. However, when we reopened, the Globex low was 1484. They came back down and tested it with the 1483 low right now, 1482.75. And now we're seeing a little bit of a bounce right here. I'm expecting, or I'm suspect about maybe some sideways action to another chance to go lower. But after that first 10 days in March, hey, I'm looking for these things to start accelerating themselves. And if they want to start that move early, a key upside objective right now is 1512 even in the S&P. Remains to be seen, because if history does repeat itself, we are going to see new contract highs. Now to the bonds. You know, the bonds said that they were kind of in a streamlining, flip-flopping action, and look at what happened. All of a sudden they flip-flopped, and these moving averages started pushing them higher. Earlier in the year, when we went from the December 31st to the January 2nd, we did gap. Well, right now those bonds are getting close to their gap bottom. The gap bottom on the regular session is 146.16, 24 hours 146.23. If they want to go to the top of the gap, 147.06, and the settle price on the 31st was 147.16 before we saw that move under there. That's it with the bonds. Now don't forget, overall, if we do correct, the next stop, a very important level in the S&P, is 1465 even. I love it. I think I'm taking a big shot at longing that price if it gets there. And also, we do have that gap starting at the big contract of 1440 even, 1438 quarter for the mini, all the way down to 25 to 2020. Remains to be seen if we're going to see further slippage. Odds are in that favor right now in the next 5 to 10 days. Have a good day. We'll see you next week.